Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about the problem minimum cuts to divide a circle. A valid cut in a circle can be a cut that is represented by a straight line that touches 2 points on the edge of a circle and passes through its center, or the cut that is represented by a straight line that touches 1 point on the edge of the circle and its center. Some valid and invalid cuts are shown in the figure below. So the valid cut is we have to touch the one edge to the end of the other edge. The another cut is the line must be start from a center and it must be end at the edge of the cake. Okay. Then the invalid cut is if like we have seen it is a chord, right? It's like a chord structure and that is not passes through the center of the circle. So it's not a valid cut, it's an invalid cut, right? So let's look into the example one. Here, n equal to 4, we have to cut the cake into 4 pieces. We can see how many cuts there are. The one cut and the two cut. There are only two cuts. So the output is two cut and we get the 4 pieces of the cake. So what we can do is check if the number is even, we simply divide that number, right? Let's check if n equal to 0. This condition is used to, we already know this condition is used to check the number is even. Return 2. Okay, let's look into the example 2. Here, here the input is n equal to 3. The 3 is a add number. So the output also add because we have to cut the cake into 3 pieces and we have to cut also the 3 cuts. So there are 3 cuts. So I can say if the n is a add number, we simply return it. Otherwise, return n. Got. Let's check. Test case are passed. Maybe one is missing, right? So we can find out by submitting the wrong answer. N equal to 1, the output, the expected is 0. So we do the hard coding. If n equal to 1, simply return 0. So only one solution. Yeah, it beats 100% of other solutions. Great. This kind of questions are asked in main companies, especially Amazon, Google, Meta, and Microsoft are asked question. This question is a Microsoft, Google, and Meta asked question, right? So I hope you all understand this concept. So let's see in another video. Thank you.